Back with Leeuwin Metals, Chris Piggott. Chris, morning.
Good morning.
Chris, you've announced here this week further positive results from rock chip sampling at the West Pilbara Iron Ore Project. Some significant assays. Tell us more.
Yeah, so this is only our second kind of go at exploration up at our project in the West Pilbara. So this project is located about 10 kilometres north of Rio Tinto's Mesa A mine, which is a CRD mine. They kind of global resource in that whole project's grading about 55, 56%. And our exploration to date from just rock chipping has delivered kind of batches of rock chip values of around 54, 53 and 55% iron content in first pass exploration. It's right on the highway that you can go to Onslow or drive further north to Port Hedland. We're seeing this mineralisation over 2.4 kilometres already. So we think it's pretty encouraging considering where it sits in the world, the style of mineralisation and the kind of grades that we're seeing already. So, very encouraging results to date.
Well, Chris, tell us a bit more about the status of these tenements and what the next steps are.
Yeah, so this year, we did a process of reviewing opportunities organically, and we applied for a handful of ground in Western Australia. And this area was a kind of high priority area for iron ore potential. So we went and applied for these tenure ourselves under Leeuwin Metals. So it's 100% owned, no encumbrances, no royalties, anything like that. We're just working through the process to get these granted. We've progressed a bunch of third-party agreements, and we're anticipating that these will be granted early next year. And then that'll kind of open it up to doing a bit more kind of substantial exploration and ultimately work towards drilling out there in 2025. So, you consider how kind of competitive the space is as far as ground acquisition in that part of the world. This is a really good result and, close to infrastructure, which I think in kind of iron ore is very key.
Well, just on that, so you are looking at additional opportunities, are you?
Yeah, so Leeuwin Metals, we listed about 2 years ago now, a year and a half. We've focused initially on our nickel and lithium projects in Canada. And obviously, the commodity prices are pretty suppressed for those projects. But, we still continue to work those projects. They're extremely prospective. But as part of the broader business approach, we're looking for, more organic opportunities that we can progress and hopefully make discoveries along the way. And, whether it's, gold, iron or lithium that complement our current projects or skill sets, we're open to those types of opportunities.
Well, I suppose also give us a bit of a corporate update and how the cash is looking.
Yeah, so we've been able to manage that really well to date. We last quarter had $1.5 million in the bank. Our market cap's roughly about 3.5. So, pretty low EV, extremely tightly held, motivated shareholders and management. So all in all, we're in a really good position and highly leveraged to any exploration success or project acquisitions in the future.
Yeah, great to see you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.